I know you've been here too. A critical vulnerability alert sends everyone into a panic. There's a lot at stake, not just system security, but also customer data, your business's bottom line, and its reputation. Applying a patch is easy, but security reviews, QA checks, and downtime negotiations multiplied across environments can take weeks. And just when the finish line is in sight, an undocumented change can derail everything, demanding even more time and resources. Now, we build our system images early and often with our container tools. Instead of ad hoc patching, our systems are always ready to move to an updated image. This means we can test and validate each image before it hits production and immediately deploy it without any drama or complications, like a smartphone update. Working with images also ensures that our identical systems stay identical, and we can now contain drift, which means fewer surprises in production. We can even automate deployment to impacted systems using the container registry. It's that simple. Red Hat Enterprise Linux makes this possible with Image Mode, a simple, consistent approach to OS management. With Image Mode, we build, deploy, and manage our OS like any containerized app, using the same workflows. Now, when an issue arises, we can respond instantly with an updated image. By streamlining coordination across operations, development, and security, we can confidently push updates with minimal disruption. Image Mode transformed how we manage risk, and I can't imagine going back to the old way. When the business is counting on us, we can protect critical systems without unplanned downtime. It's time to rethink how you build, deploy, and manage your OS. Give Image Mode a try today in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Learn more